In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the order of bookmarks in Safari. This process will help you keep your bookmarks organized and easy to access. Let's get started with the first step. Open the Safari app on your iPhone or iPad. You will recognize the app by its distinctive compass icon. Once you tap on the app, it will launch and display your most recently visited websites. This is the starting point for all your browsing. By opening Safari, you set the stage for efficiently managing your bookmarks. It's essential to have the app ready as it is your gateway to the bookmarks you want to reorder. Next, tap the Bookmarks button, which looks like a book icon. This icon is typically located at the bottom of the screen on an iPhone or at the top on an iPad. When you tap this button, a menu will appear, displaying your bookmarks and folders. This action is crucial because it allows you to access all your saved bookmarks in one place. It simplifies the process of organizing them, ensuring that your favorite links are always at your fingertips. Now, you may need to tap Bookmarks again if it does not automatically show your bookmark list. Sometimes the app might open to a different view like reading lists or shared links. By tapping Bookmarks, you ensure that you are in the correct section where all your saved links are stored. This is an important step in the reordering process, as it directs you to the specific bookmarks that you want to manage. Once your bookmark list is visible, look for the More button, represented by 3 dots. Tap on this button to reveal additional options related to your bookmarks. This step is significant because it opens up a menu that allows you to take further actions, including selecting bookmarks for reordering. Without this step, you wouldn't be able to access the necessary features to manage your bookmarks effectively. Now, tap Select Bookmarks. This action allows you to choose which bookmarks or folders you wish to reorder. You will see checkboxes appear next to each bookmark. Selecting bookmarks is essential because it prepares your list for the next step of reorganization. This means you are one step closer to customizing your bookmark layout to suit your needs. Touch and hold the reorder handle, which is represented by 3 horizontal lines, next to the bookmark or folder you want to move. When you do this, the bookmark will lift slightly, indicating that it is ready to be repositioned. This handle is a key element in the reordering process, as it allows you to physically move your bookmarks to a new location in the list. Holding the handle firmly ensures that you have a good grip as you prepare to drag the bookmark. Next, drag the bookmark to its new position in the list. As you move it, you will see the other bookmarks shift to make space for your selected bookmark. This visual cue confirms that your action is successful. It is satisfying to see your bookmarks rearranging, reflecting your personal organization style. This step allows you to customize your list, making it more intuitive for your browsing habits. Finally, tap Done to save your changes. This action confirms your new order and exits the selection mode. It is crucial to tap Done as it ensures that all your hard work in reordering is saved properly. After tapping Done, you will see a confirmation that your changes have been applied. Remember, you can also reorder bookmark folders using the same method. If you use iCloud Safari, the new bookmark order will sync across your Apple devices that are signed into the same Apple account with Safari syncing enabled. This makes sure that your organized bookmarks are available wherever you go. Thank you for following along and enjoy your newly organized bookmarks.